Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today we have a collaboration and it's the color series Tablescape for the month of October, and that's being hosted by Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle. Now, her co-host for this month is Glam Queen of Decor and Penny's Lifestyle Living. Now, the theme color for the month is burnt orange or rust or just fall color tones. Now, I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody decorated with burnt orange. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you. So make sure and hit that subscribe button, guys, and then hit that notification bell twice where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now, I decided to decorate a cozy table for two out on my porch. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I finish decorating this table, and then I'll be back with you. Okay, so we're going to light these candles and head on over to the reveal, guys. Okay, now let's talk about the tablescape. So the centerpiece in the back, I DIY'd. Now the florals, the majority of those, they came from the Dollar Tree, but I believe the greenery, I got that at Walmart. The candlesticks came out absolutely gorgeous. That was a DIY, and those are sitting on some round little mirrors that I got from the Dollar Tree. Now the placemats and the dishware, I got that at Hobby Lobby, and also the chargers. So now the napkin itself, I thrifted, but the napkin ring also came from Hobby Lobby. And isn't that absolutely gorgeous? I also bought that along with the bless sign, and I'm absolutely loving this tablescape, and I hope you do too. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, and her two co-hosts, Glam Queen of Decor and Penny's Lifestyle Living, for hosting this collaboration. I hope you enjoyed the tablescape as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.